Okay, I just really quickly wanted to go over one of the verbs that is on your vocab list. It is uploaded to Canvas. The vocabulary list is U3D4, so hopefully you've all seen it. There is a verb on there, the verb quedar, which means to fit. And it functions uniquely, so I wanted to review it really quickly with you. It functions like the verb gustar. So if you remember the verb gustar, the verb gustar had two forms, the singular and then the plural form. But before you use one of those, you needed a pronoun. Me, te, le, nos, os, and les. Okay? Quedar is the exact same way. You need one of those followed by either queda or quedan. And these are chosen based on the item of clothing or whatever fits, not the person that it fits. So, for example, the shirt fits me well. Okay, I'm going to start off with la camisa, and then me because of me, right? La camisa me. Queda is singular because la camisa is singular, and bien. Okay, another word that the vocab list gave us to describe how things fit is mal, and that's saying that something fits poorly or badly. And something that's important to remember about bien and mal is that they cannot be made um, masculine or feminine. They just stay bien and mal. That's all they can do. All right. Another example would be the pants fit you small. That doesn't make sense in English. It's just a literal translation. In English, we would say like pants are too small on you. Um, but all right, let's try it. Los pantalones. We're gonna do te to agree with you. Quedan with an an because pantalones is plural. And pequeños with an os again because pantalones is plural. So we can make pequeños masculine, feminine, singular, and plural. Okay. The last adjective that the textbook gives us is grande. And while grande can be made masculine or feminine, can be made plural. So it could be grande or grandes. All right, so just a couple of things to keep in mind when you are doing the assignment. Please look over these notes and make sure that you are writing those sentences correctly. And as always, if you need anything, please reach out on Canvas.